The red carpet event with a little something special added to it.
Yeah, and a good thing it's not tomorrow night.
Yeah, that would be a white carpet, Eric.
Yes, it'll be laid out ahead of us tomorrow night. It's going to come down quickly as well. We went from a very warm start to fall to a very cold start to winter, basically, here. The forecast for the next week looks more like Christmas week and not the lead up to Thanksgiving. We have those winter storm watches up across the interior, winter weather advisories near the coast and in southeastern Massachusetts. Bottom line is, starting around 7 tomorrow night, we are in the thick of it. Now, when do we usually, on average, see the first inch of snow across southern New England? Depends on the exact location, but it can vary a lot. It's coming early this year for sure. Boston, it has arrived as early as October 29th and as late as February 14th. Yes, there have been some winters. We've waited all the way to Valentine's Day to get 1 inch of snow in Boston. That was 2007, by the way, not too long ago. Definitely feels like snow tonight. Temperatures are in the 20s. We wake up in the morning, it's teens to lower 20s across the region, maybe even a few single digits, well off to the north and west. So a midwinter feel. We just have some cirrus clouds overhead and otherwise quiet night. And there is our storm this evening, sending snow across St. Louis. We had snow all the way down to South Texas and into Louisiana over the last couple of days. So a very unusual mid-November type of setup. Tomorrow, the clouds will thicken up as the day goes on. It's very chilly again, not even getting to freezing in the higher elevations of Worcester County and 30s elsewhere. And then we await the arrival of that snow. The main takeaway with this particular storm is that a lot of our snow comes in one band, and it's an intense band of snow that lasts about 4 hours. It starts around 7, so that's a good time to make sure you're kind of where you need to be. If you don't like driving the snow, you will not want to be out tomorrow night. By 8 o'clock, it starts to fall heavily, and then we're in it till about midnight. And almost all the snow happens in just that window. So 1 to 2 inch hour rates are possible here. You're going to get big fat snowflakes, and then all of a sudden, we're going to switch over to sleet for inland areas and rain in southeastern Mass and near the coast. So it's 4 hours where you're feeling like it's Christmas morning, and then it gets very sloppy outside. All right, Friday morning, we're talking just rain in eastern Massachusetts, so some wet roadways there. And in central Mass, still a chance for some freezing drizzle and icy spots up into southern New Hampshire as well. There's also a back end of the storm as we head through Friday morning, where some more snow will be possible through central Mass and New Hampshire, rain in the Boston area south and east, and it all comes to an end around midday on Friday. In terms of our snow totals, again, the takeaway here, it happens in 3 to 4 hours. So you're talking 3 to 5 inches. If that transition to sleet is an hour late, it's an extra 1 to 2 inches of snow. 1 to 3 inches right around Boston. Again, if the change is about an hour late, it's another 1 to 2 inches of snow. It's not a huge storm, but it's high impact in terms of travel because of the rate that it comes down at. So as we head into the evening, 7 o'clock onward, really poor travel out there that will linger into Friday morning, especially for those inland areas. And then it does warm up a little bit as we head through the day. So there'll be some melting and certainly a lot of compaction of that snow that falls. Also gusty across the Cape and the islands. These are easterly winds. Some gusts of 50 are possible late Thursday night into Friday morning. Then we start to calm things down. The weekend, it's chilly. It's mainly dry. We'll have some bright skies. 40s on Saturday, a little cloudier on Sunday, just the low 40s there. Another chance for some scattered rain and snow on Monday. Right now, this doesn't look like a big event, but it's something we'll be watching. And then on Tuesday, another shot of really cold air. I'll tell you what, this run up to Thanksgiving, about as cold as you'll ever see around the region. So there's a look at the full 7-day. And after the excitement, well, maybe you have another word for it, tomorrow night. We've got the drier weather this weekend. That scattered rain and snow on Monday. Just lower 30s for highs on Tuesday, 30s on Wednesday. Right now, it looks like 30s on Thanksgiving Thursday. David, Elisa, some unusual stuff, especially after a hot start to fall.
And the first snow is always somewhat exciting.
I would say so.